Every package holds a little mystery. Inside each box is a new story waiting to be discovered. Join me as I unbox, explore, and share the finds, the feels, and the surprises. Welcome to Parcel Diaries, stories inside every box.
Good day mga ka-online shoppers! Welcome to Parcel Diaries. Today, we're going to unbox a surplus hard disk drive na nabili ko dito sa Shopee. So, here's the product. Surplus 100% HDD 500 gig. The brand is HGST 7200 RPM. Bale, surplus to. So, second hand. Let's check kung 100% nga ba talaga yung health and 500 gig nga ba talaga yung storage. I also bought from the same shop an external enclosure, so 2.5 inch USB HDD case SATA to USB 3.0. Price nito is 159 pesos. Yung hard drive, 479 pesos. Total of 638. Free yung shipping. Plus may voucher pang 76 pesos and 5 pesos. So, ang total na nabayaran ko is 557 pesos through SPay later. Let's check the shop. Ito yung shop, Fico PC Trading Corp. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description below, yung link ng shop na to. And we're going to unbox this hard drive, and after that we're going to test if 100% nga ba yung health and 500 gig nga ba yung storage, and let's also check if fit ba siya sa external hard drive na nabili ko din. So let's go, let's unbox the product. Alright, so unbox na natin tong hard drive HDD 500 gig 2.5. Okay, may kasama na rin tong HDD enclosure. HDD SATA external enclosure 2.5. So case SATA to USB 3.0. Unbox na natin. Okay, again, let's check what's inside the box. Well, surplus po to, second hand, used hard drive po to, 500 gig. Balot na balot. Okay. External case yung box, pero included na siguro sa loob yung hard drive. Let's check. Okay, nasa loob na rin nga yung hard drive. HGST. So 500 gig. SATA 6.0. 500 gig pero 7,200 RPM. Ito yung likod. Okay, so that's it for the hard drive. Test natin to mamaya. Ito yung HDD enclosure. Ito brand new to. 2.5 SSD or HDD external case. Let's check. Okay. May kasama na ring USB to SATA cable. And that's it. Wala na. Okay, so ipapasok na natin yung hard drive sa external enclosure para ma-test na natin yung hard drive. So, ganito yun. Parang baliktad. Okay, ganito pala. Okay. Okay, may kasama rin pala siyang foam tape. So, ididikit na rin natin to para hindi aalog-alog yung hard drive sa loob ng case. Okay. Now, let's close the case. Okay, so ready na to for testing. Iti-test natin kung 100% talaga yung health. Okay, so plug in na natin yung hard drive. Okay, so 465 gig yung free space. Walang laman yung hard drive. Let's check kung 100% ba talaga yung health. I'll use hard disk Sentinel. Okay, so ito yung hard drive. So yes, 100% nga yung health. And tama rin yung storage space. So okay, value for money. Okay naman. Let's try to transfer file. Okay, let me check here. Okay, we'll try to transfer a movie. Ito yung transfer speed niya. Okay naman. Okay, so it's working. Recently, prices of storage devices had significantly increased. If you need extra space for your PC or laptop, but you're in a tight budget, this cheap surplus HDD might be the perfect solution. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon as well para updated kayo sa mga upcoming ko pang video. Shop wisely mga ka-online shoppers. See you on my next video.